They're working hard today. Well, I've come outside today to do some work because the weather's very nice. So I'm here with my computer working. And Yuko's harassing me.
Avoid my harassing.
Got my coffee there
Take picture for evidence.
with Anzac biscuits because tomorrow's Anzac Day.
Yeah, I really thought, why this chair be here? Because of this thing.
Yeah, that's why that chair be here.
Yeah.
And you see it's down there because so if I spill my coffee, it won't go on my computer. That's why I put it down there, a different level.
Okay, good.
Because it's very likely I could spill it.
Yeah.
Very likely. Got it? Bye.
But I don't like that towel. Very ugly.
Really? This towel? It's got your name on it. Look at that. Dorothy. Look at that. She's Dorothy.
Sure.
You're Dorothy.
Sure. Not another
It's
Dorothy.
her pseudonym.
Not another Dorothy. Tell me.
There's no other Dorothy.
Tell me true. I
Yeah.
don't get angry.
Anyway, bye. I've got to concentrate.
Bye.
I think that might be the trees in that truck. There.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, here are the trees. These are going to be, I think they're going to be out the front actually, but they're not ready to plant them yet, so they're just going to stay here in pots for a while. There's 3, plus these little ones. I think they're going to be along, sort of lining the driveway, like a hedge. Is that Thomas the Tank Engine? Looks like him. I'm really not sure. Well, we'll see now. Oh no, I don't think that's Thomas. It's a different engine altogether. Well, there you have it. Hang on, it's going to hit me.